I'm often asked, what makes Qnet so unique? Well, many things, but if I could summarize it in one word, it would be rhythm. Raise yourself to help mankind. I've been in the company for more than 21 years and I could still clearly remember when the founders told us about rhythm. They said this is the purpose of everything that we do. This is our why. This is our DNA. This DNA is cascaded throughout the entire organization to our employees, customers, and our network. Rhythm is what sets us apart from everyone else. Rhythm is what drives our business. We are especially proud of the foundation that carries the name and spirit of rhythm all over the world, helping local communities. Another beautiful thing, whenever you buy a product from Qnet, a part of the proceeds will go to the Rhythm Foundation. This allows the foundation to work with grassroots organizations in developing countries to bring about sustainable change.
RYTHM Foundation has been empowering lives and transforming communities since 2005. Working with over 115 partner organizations in Southeast Asia, India, Sri Lanka, and Sub-Saharan Africa, the foundation has impacted the lives of more than 50,000 people, including children and adolescent girls from vulnerable communities in many developing countries. Since its inception, RYTHM Foundation has completed more than 50 sustainable community projects in over 40 locations around the world. The foundation is the corporate heartbeat of the company, guided by the values of our founders and driven by the passion of our network and employees. RYTHM Foundation strives to empower people to take charge of their lives and realize their dreams. The foundation works with vulnerable communities around the world in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
One of the most amazing things about Qnet is our culture of volunteering in our employees. In the true spirit of rhythm, our employees around the world volunteer their time each month to worthy causes in their local communities. They have volunteered their time to a wide range of activities, including beach cleanup, helping out orphanages and old age homes, planting trees, blood donation drives, soup kitchen, and feeding the homeless. We understand the importance of giving back to the community. Our networkers around the world carry the mission of RYTHM with them. They don't just believe in working towards success through business. They are driven by the desire to make a difference in the lives of others. So whether you're in India, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, or Africa, Qnet networkers are working towards making a positive impact wherever they are. RYTHM, raise yourself to help mankind. This is what makes us who we are. This is what makes us unique. Let us continue to help communities rise above and beyond.